Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the ACOS SSD Disco Duro Sata3. This incredible piece of technology is a game-changer for your computing needs, and here's why. First off, let's talk about the speed. With a 4KB random read of 480 and a max sequential write of 550 megabits per second, you're looking at lightning-fast performance that will truly enhance your computing experience. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just a regular user, the ACOS SSD will take your device to the next level. But it's not just about speed, the ACOS SSD is also built to last. With a durable design and rigorous testing, you can trust that this SSD will stand the test of time. Plus, with a 3-year quality warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. And let's not forget about the compatibility. Whether you're using a server, desktop, laptop, or even an industrial computer, the ACOS SSD is versatile enough to meet all your needs. This level of flexibility is truly unparalleled. Now, I know what you're thinking. With all these amazing features, it must come with a hefty price tag, right? Wrong. The ACOS SSD is priced competitively, and when you factor in the quality and performance it offers, it's an absolute steal. So if you're ready to take your computing experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the ACOS SSD Disco Duro Sata3. Trust me, once you make the switch, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check the link in the description to grab yours today and experience the difference for yourself.